Summer means longer days outdoors, more UV exposure, and often more reapplication. So let's make it simple, approachable, and realistic. Hi, I'm Sam, a beauty advisor here at London Drugs. It's time to chat about summer sun care. Here's everything you need to know to protect your face, body, and eyes for yourself and your kids. In summer, UV levels are higher, we're sweating more, and we're often outside for longer stretches. Walking, gardening, beach days, sports, or travel. That means your winter or spring SPF routine needs a bit of an upgrade, but not a total overhaul. Let's start with the face, because this is your everyday anchor. In summer, look for broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher, lightweight, breathable textures, options like tinted SPF, mineral formulas, or gel and fluid sunscreens if you have an oily skin type or are wearing makeup, and apply as the last step of your skincare routine before makeup, and don't forget your neck, ears, and hairline. For the body, the key words are coverage and consistency. Choose what fits your lifestyle. Lotions for thorough coverage, sprays for speed, just remember to rub it in, sticks for targeted areas like shoulders, knees, and hands. And here's the biggest summer reminder: reapply every 2 hours and always after swimming or heavy sweating. Lips are often forgotten, but they burn quickly. Keep a lip balm with SPF in every bag, beach bag, purse, backpack, and reapply often, especially after eating or swimming. And a gentle reminder, your usual sunscreen stick can be used on your lips as well. When it comes to kids, many families prefer mineral sunscreen because they're gentle and sit on top of the skin. Look for broad spectrum protection, water-resistant formulas, easy formats like sticks or roll-ons for quick touch-ups, and a gentle reminder, look for sunscreen formulated for kids, and remember they need more frequent reapplication, especially during active play. And sun care doesn't stop at your skin. Your eyes need protection too. Choose sunglasses with proper UV protection, even on cloudy days. Our optical team at London Drugs can help you find sunglasses that protect your eyes and fit your lifestyle. A solid summer kit usually includes face SPF, body SPF, a kid-friendly option, lip SPF, and sunglasses with UV protection. The best part? You can find all of it in one place at London Drugs. Summer sun protection doesn't have to be complicated. It's about small habits, choosing formats you'll actually use, and remembering that protection goes from head to toe. At London Drugs, we're here year-round to help you protect your skin, lips, and eyes for you and your whole family. Need more tips and tricks? Make sure to always look out for our videos from the cosmetics counter.